Stuttgart is a city located in southwestern Germany and is the capital of the state of Baden-Württemberg. With a population of over 600,000 people, it is the sixth largest city in Germany and serves as an important economic, cultural, and transportation hub for the region.
In terms of economy, Stuttgart is a center for high-tech industry and is home to many global companies, including Porsche, Mercedes-Benz, and Bosch. The city also has a vibrant nightlife scene, with many bars, restaurants, and clubs catering to a diverse range of tastes. Overall, Stuttgart is a vibrant and dynamic city that offers something for everyone, from history buffs to culture lovers to business travelers. Stuttgart also has a rich history and plenty of things to see and do. Here are some of the top attractions to check out in Stuttgart. One of them is the Mercedes-Benz Museum. This museum is dedicated to the history of the Mercedes-Benz brand and features exhibits that showcase the company's many innovative designs and engineering accomplishments.
In 100 meters, turn left.
The Mercedes-Benz Museum building in Stuttgart, Germany, is an iconic landmark that was designed by the Dutch architect Ben van Berkel of the Studio firm. The museum is located on the site of the former Mercedes-Benz factory, which was destroyed during World War II. The museum building itself is a striking structure that is shaped like a double helix, with two intertwined spirals that rise up to form a central atrium. Construction of the museum began in 2003 and was completed in 2006 at a cost of around 150 million euros. The building's unique design was intended to reflect the dynamic nature of the Mercedes-Benz brand and to showcase the company's innovative spirit and engineering excellence. The museum's spiral design was inspired by the DNA molecule, and it is meant to represent the evolution of the automobile over time. The two spirals are connected by a series of ramps and walkways that allow visitors to explore the museum's exhibits in a chronological order, starting with the early. Mercedes-Benz is a German luxury car manufacturer that has a long and rich history dating back to the late 19th century. The company was founded in 1926, but its origins can be traced back to the early 1880s. Carl Benz developed his first automobile in 1885, which he called the Benz Patent Motorwagen. In 1886, he received the world's first patent for a gasoline-powered car. The Mercedes Simplex 40 horsepowers. This car was introduced in 1902 and was the first car to bear the name Mercedes, which was inspired by the daughter of an important customer. In 1926, Daimler merged with Benz and C to form the company we know today as Mercedes-Benz. First Mercedes-Benz bus displayed at the Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart. The bus is a 1924 Mercedes-Benz Model 2410014 PS, also known as the Stuttgart coach. In the 1950s, the company introduced its iconic 300SL Gullwing sports car, which had a distinctive wing-like door design. In the 1960s, Mercedes-Benz introduced its first fin-tail sedan, which featured a unique fin-like design on the rear of the car. The Mercedes-Benz W196R was a Formula One racing car produced by Mercedes-Benz for the 1954 and 1955 racing seasons. It was designed by the legendary engineer Rudolf Uhlenhaut and was driven by some of the greatest drivers of its time, including Juan Manuel Fangio and Sterling Moss. Mercedes-Benz 600. This luxury sedan was introduced in 1963 and was known for its advanced technology and lavish features, such as a hydraulic system that operated the windows, doors, and seats. Mercedes-Benz C111. This was a series of experimental cars developed in the late 1960s and early 1970s to test new technologies such as rotary engines and aerodynamic designs. There are many car replicas of Grace Kelly's Mercedes-Benz 300SL Roadster available today, which are built to look and feel like the original car. Lady Diana Spencer, who later became Princess Diana, owned a Mercedes-Benz 280E before she married Prince Charles and became the Princess of Wales. The car was a gift from her father, the 8th Earl Spencer, on her 21st birthday. The Popemobile is a custom-made vehicle designed specifically for the Pope's use. It is typically a Mercedes-Benz SUV that has been heavily modified to include bulletproof glass and armor plating to protect the Pope from potential threats. Mercedes-Benz typically releases new models and updates to existing models on a regular basis, with some models being updated every few years. If you are interested in learning about upcoming Mercedes-Benz models or release schedules, I recommend checking the official Mercedes-Benz website or reaching out to a local Mercedes-Benz dealer for the latest information.